Guys, it's getting hot out here. It's supposed to be 100 degrees today, and I'm not used to it. We're in Idaho, and in Idaho we don't get 100 degrees very often. But probably take the boat out later and show you some videos on that. And but let me show you a few videos from some previous outings on Hauser Lake. Here they are. I just spilled my beer all over me. Oh, now I'm bidding on myself, apparently. Hot as balls. It is hot as balls. 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 It is hot as balls. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video, and just want to say thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me and the crazy projects that I've been working on. So I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.